If you're planning on building a shed from the ground up, welcome. This is the right place to be. Get ready. We're about to begin an incredibly rewarding DIY journey. To guarantee both structural stability and effective water drainage, the gravel pad foundation must be placed on a precisely level location. Determine the size of the pad according to the shed's footprint, ensuring there is sufficient area to properly accommodate the building structure. Four-by-four skids are positioned on the gravel base. This arrangement creates an elevated space that promotes ventilation beneath the structure, effectively preventing moisture buildup and keeping the floor dry. To support the shed floor, 13 joists are installed, ensuring uniform spacing across the structure. To provide both thermal defense and a barrier against moisture infiltration, insulation is strategically placed within the spaces between the joists. The flooring system is finished by adding OSB boards over the insulation, which provides the necessary structural surface for the floor. The initial phase of constructing barn-style rafters involves precisely cutting the components to achieve the exact lengths and angles necessary for the roof's pitch and span. It's time to begin wall construction, which involves framing the exterior. This process is essential for creating the robust skeleton that guarantees the stability and strength of the final shed structure. The framing process requires constructing the wall structure by inserting vertical support members, called studs, between the horizontal top plate and bottom plate. These components are then rigidly fastened together with either nails or screws. This framing technique establishes the necessary structural integrity to ensure the shed's long-term durability. It effectively allows the structure to resist high winds, heavy snow loads, and other environmental stresses. After wall framing is complete, precise alignment is critical for ensuring the accurate placement and integration of doors, windows, and other structural openings. The integrated framing is engineered to allow for the easy and straightforward attachment of various components, including exterior siding, crucial insulation, and interior finishing materials. This streamlined construction process ultimately enhances the overall utility and functionality of the shed. To build a strong and reliable roof, you rely on barn-style rafters for the primary framing. The use of these rafters creates more vertical room, which directly translates to enhanced usable storage space. This design also contributes to a more open and appealing interior appearance. By adding OSB sheathing, the shed gains essential structural reinforcement for its walls and roof, significantly enhancing the overall durability, rigidity, and stability of the entire structure. This feature significantly bolsters the shed's resistance to adverse weather, ensuring the interior is protected from wind, moisture, and elemental damage. OSB sheathing offers a great balance of cost and performance for enclosing the shed's frame, making it a reliable standard option. By limiting both heat transfer and moisture buildup, the material acts as an effective barrier to improve energy performance. Thanks to how manageable it is, OSB sheathing makes the job quicker. This ease of use ensures the shed construction process is highly efficient, saving significant time and labor during installation. The installation includes rake boards and soffits. The soffits are specifically fabricated with cutouts to accommodate vents, ensuring necessary air circulation and building ventilation. To prevent water from running behind the gutters and damaging the fascia or sheathing, a drip edge flashing is secured to the roofline. To accommodate the skylight, an opening is carefully fashioned in the roof, allowing for a proper and secure installation. Installation involves securing the skylight and ensuring a tight professional seal to effectively eliminate the risk of water penetration. The GAF StormGuard leak barrier is installed specifically to seal vulnerable areas and prevent water from seeping in. The final step involves applying a synthetic underlayment, which adds a crucial layer of protection and longevity to the entire roof system. Acting as your roof's first defense, shingles ensure dependable protection by effectively warding off all types of weather, including heavy rain, snow accumulation, and high winds. They greatly improve how long the roof lasts, making sure it stays reliable and virtually maintenance-free for decades. Shingle installation lends a clean, finished appearance, vastly improving the overall curb appeal of the roof. To ensure improved protection and performance, house wrap is applied to the exterior walls. Its primary function is to minimize the entry of water and air, which helps make the building more weather resistant and energy efficient. The newly installed replacement windows serve a dual purpose. They drastically improve the home's insulation while also allowing an increased amount of natural light to flood the interior. These measures result in a structure that is fully protected from the weather, thermally comfortable, and highly energy efficient. Choosing a pre-hung exterior door simplifies the installation process and saves time because the door, frame, and hinges are already assembled and perfectly aligned, resulting in superior long-term performance. By filling the door frame gaps with foam, the structure achieves better insulation and eliminates drafty air leaks. The foam is meticulously cut away to ensure a perfectly clean aesthetic and establish a reliable, airtight barrier. To maximize the finished appearance of a structure, exterior window trim is indispensable. By cleanly framing the windows, it significantly enhances the building's overall aesthetic and consequently, its curb appeal. Installed prior to vinyl siding, the J-channel ensures a clean, secure border where the siding terminates. Its function is twofold: to protect the structure by preventing damaging moisture buildup and to enhance the siding's longevity and aesthetic appeal. Installed white vinyl siding to instantly elevate the shed's look, resulting in a cleaner, more contemporary finish.
Serving as a robust exterior, the vinyl material effectively shields the shed from the elements. This protection delivers exceptional strength and resilience, allowing the structure to withstand the test of time.
It improves the structure's thermal performance, leading to significant energy savings while ensuring a stable and comfortable internal temperature.
To keep its bright, pristine look, white vinyl siding simply requires occasional cleaning, making maintenance a breeze.
The initial step in the electrical wiring plan is to map out the placement for 8 interior GFCI outlets and 3 separate lighting circuits. 12-2 Romax for the electrical outlets. This specific type of wiring ensures adequate and proper power can be supplied to all devices and appliances throughout the space.
For lighting setups, you'll typically use 14-2 Romax wiring to establish the complete and correct electrical connections.
The package contains 14-3 Romex cable for any applications that demand a 3-wire connection. You'll typically need this type of cable for 3-way or 4-way switches and similar setups where a single switch manages more than one light or load. The lighting design inside is built for efficiency. We've included separate, dedicated circuits to ensure both reliable performance and safety. To achieve a safe and fully functional electrical system, it is critical to implement proper wiring and circuit configurations that effectively eliminate the risk of overloads.
The walls utilize R13 insulation to boost thermal performance, helping to regulate temperature effectively and enhance occupant comfort. To maintain optimal airflow and guard against unwanted heat loss, baffles are strategically positioned within the roof rafters. They enhance overall energy performance through 2 mechanisms: optimized airflow dynamics, specifically venting toward the roof, and the mitigation of moisture accumulation, which prevents condensation issues. The primary role of the skylight casing is to shield the edges against potential moisture damage while providing a finished look that is both secure and aesthetically pleasing. This critical component contributes directly to the durability and optimized performance of the installation within the space. The installation of R19 ceiling insulation is complete, allowing us to move forward with the drywall application. This combination significantly enhances the building's thermal performance, resulting in a more comfortable and energy-efficient interior environment.
The process of installing drywall is initiated on the ceiling to ensure that a perfectly flat and consistent surface is achieved before transitioning the installation down to the wall areas.
Hanging drywall from the top, you gain better control and leverage for positioning the pieces. This careful approach minimizes potential impacts or scrapes that could damage material already installed on the lower part of the wall.
This technique ensures the structural stability of the assembly, effectively eliminating the risk of drywall sag, particularly in the case of expansive ceilings.
Installing drywall achieves smooth, perfect walls and significantly enhances the comfort of your home by offering soundproofing for better internal acoustics. Additionally, the material serves as an essential fire safety component, significantly enhancing the protection of internal areas against fire spread.
For homeowners prioritizing hassle-free living, this solution offers low-maintenance walls that are simple and quick to repair, making upkeep effortless.
The exterior lighting fixture is fastened directly onto the vinyl siding. This installation method guarantees both a secure attachment and effective light distribution for the intended space.
To create a smooth finish on drywall, the process involves applying joint tape directly over the panel seams, followed by feathering a thin layer of joint compound, often called mud, over the tape.
To achieve a seamless finish, we first use mudding to effectively fill any gaps. The surface is then meticulously sanded to ensure it's perfectly smooth, resulting in a clean and polished aesthetic.
Applied Promar 400 to the walls and ceiling, achieving a perfectly even and sophisticated finish. This high-quality paint choice immediately elevated the ambiance of the entire space.
The space is illuminated by a combination of stylish LED fixtures and an elegant chandelier, ensuring the lighting is both visually appealing and highly efficient. Mounting the HeatStorm infrared heater ensures its optimal performance, delivering steady heat for maximum comfort in the space.
Added a finishing trim right in front of the loft. Its purpose is twofold: to improve the visual appeal and to help the structure look more integrated with the existing design.
Positioned at the very bottom of the window frame, the sill performs a dual function. It offers essential structural support while simultaneously enhancing the window's aesthetic appeal.
Precise measurement and cutting of the window trim ensures a flawlessly clean finish against the window frame. Achieving a smooth, polished finish requires the final touches of sanding and painting the trim.
Giving the door a modern and sophisticated transformation by painting it black. Douglas fir is used for the ladder's rails to ensure structural strength, while oak is selected for the rungs to maximize durability.
The design incorporates a recessed channel or groove specifically engineered to serve as a secure handhold, thereby making the structure easier and safer to climb.
Designed to be sturdy and reliable, the ladder ensures a safe and steady ascent to the loft. The ladder employs a specialized hook mechanism designed for quick, effortless mounting and dismounting.
By selecting materials known for their reliability and robust performance, this ladder manages to be both a practical tool and a stylish addition to any space. Careful assembly is underway on the ladder. Each part is being precisely fitted to guarantee smooth and reliable use. To ensure a successful and high-quality installation of LVP flooring, it is essential to prepare and flatten the subfloor completely. Before laying LVP flooring, an underlayment must be positioned underneath. This material serves multiple critical functions. It adds a comfortable layer of cushioning, creates a barrier against moisture intrusion, and significantly reduces sound transmission between floors or within the room. Choosing luxury vinyl plank means getting flooring built to last. It handles the busiest environments thanks to its outstanding durability and is completely water resistant. Plus, keeping it clean is a breeze, making maintenance easy even in high traffic areas.
LVP installation is remarkably simple because it typically utilizes a click-lock mechanism. This feature eliminates the need for messy glue or complicated nailing, making the process quick and easy.
Installed where the wall meets the floor, the primary role of baseboards or screwing boards is both aesthetic and protective. They offer a polished, seamless border to conceal the joint and serve as a crucial barrier to shield the lower wall area from everyday wear, such as damage from furniture, cleaning equipment, or foot traffic.
To finalize the project, installed carpet in the loft area. This detail provides enhanced comfort while giving the upper level a finished, high-quality aesthetic.
The addition of a functional stoop makes entering and exiting the shed effortless, greatly improving its day-to-day usability and convenience.
For $7,662, this shed provides a great opportunity to create a multifunctional space, whether you need it for storage, a workshop, or just a quiet place to relax. If this video earned your approval, please consider subscribing to Every Other Karl. Your support ensures we can keep bringing you more thrilling projects and content.